Okay, so I realized for my assembly, I edited the connectors. So for these right here, the connectors, there's a large bundle of cables here. So the lighter one actually goes underneath where the red, there's a red arrow on there that says, I believe, MC. So that goes there. There's a ground that needs to get to one of the screws on there. I never put that on. I need to put that on still. And then there's a smaller cable here, the 6984, and that gets connected on the far left side right here underneath the monitor. And then there's a thicker black wire that connects to the top right here. This also has a ground wire where I'm going to have to place on here the next time. And then for the emergency one, there is a connector for the emergency that goes underneath here that clicks on here. Those are the only four wires that you need to plug in for the LCD monitor. Again, I did not place this onto the assembly. I believe I guess I edited it off of there when I had redone that video 3 months ago. All right.